It took me forever to melt that penny, but it's finally gone.
How come that penny didn't jack you like everyone else? I mean, I can understand why it didn't affect the kid who took it. He's young and innocent, but everyone at some point in their life feels like they've been screwed.
Not me, man. I let all that stuff go with the help of my yogi, my Sega Genesis, and you should too. You can't change the past, amigo. Now, there's something I want to say to you. Stop being an idiot. With Bobby dead, you and Sam are all each other has. And that's not so bad, man. Now you know what's coming next, right? Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah, okay. Hey, keep on trucking, Garth.
Thanks. Oh, gotta go. Yo, Lamar, what we got? Wendigo? You got a flare gun? No? What about a flamethrower? Then you better get some sneakers, buddy, because you're gonna have to run. All right.